Among many other toxic chemicals in tobacco, nicotine is the key substance responsible for the addiction. It is fascinating to learn how nicotine makes us addicted to tobacco. This video will talk not only about addiction, but also about how to get over the addiction. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the brain. Nicotine reaches the brain very fast when you inhale. Nicotine releases two chemicals called dopamine and noradrenaline in your brain. It enhances your mood and improves the concentration. Many smokers find this enjoyable. This effect is also known as the nicotine rush. With time, brain increases the number of nicotine receptors. The more you smoke, the more your brain becomes used to nicotine. This means you have to smoke more to get the same effect. So, what would happen if you quit now? The loss of nicotine decreases the levels of dopamine and noradrenaline. This gives rise to the nicotine withdrawal syndrome. You will feel irritable and depressed. Your sleep and concentration will be impaired, but your appetite will be increased, and you will notice some weight gain. These changes will create a craving for nicotine, which makes quitting very difficult. So, how can you quit smoking? It is shown that you are 4 times more likely to achieve abstinence with medical help, rather than by yourself. I will briefly explain the key strategies used by the doctors. First, your motivation will be assessed. If you get severe withdrawal features, you will be started on nicotine replacement therapy. Following that, you can receive motivation enhancement therapy to improve your willpower. Cognitive behavioral therapy is probably the best of all. When you develop the craving, try these strategies. Distracting yourself by calling someone, or going for a walk, or chewing a gum. Practice urge surfing. Craving increases in intensity with time, but, like a surfer, if you withstand this crave, it will gradually slope down. Another behavioral technique is aversion conditioning, which should only be conducted by a trained specialist. Aversion conditioning will make smoking an undesirable experience for you. Rapid smoking is one such technique, where you puff cigarettes fast until it becomes nauseous. Then the brain will start to dislike the very same habit it used to crave for. Addition to this, there are group therapies and many other techniques available. Thanks for watching the video. Share this video if you know a friend with an addiction problem. Subscribe for more videos in the future. Take care.